Time tracking is a big part of building a lean, productive team, healthy profit margins, and a culture of balance and calm. But what use is all that data if you can't turn it into an actionable insights? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and organize your time entries in Toggl Track, allowing you to create powerful reports and extract that exact data you need with just a few clicks. You'll save your team time, increase revenue, decrease burnout, and actually manage your business instead of just hoping for the best. Let me show you how you can get accurate productivity insights, clear utilization visibility, real-time burn rate tracking, custom automated reporting. First, we'll need to set up the different data points that make these reports possible. The cleaner your data, the better your reports and decision-making will be. First up are clients, projects, and tasks. They're important to keep your time entries and workspace organized. To create a client, head to the Client option on the left side menu. Click on New Client in the top right corner. Give your client a name. You can assign existing projects or create new projects for this client from here. Just type in the new project name, click Create a New Project, and then hit Create Client. You can also make a project from the Projects page. Hit New Project and give it a name. You can simply save this, but if you want to add more details, which we recommend you do, click Advanced Options. Here you can assign the project to a client, add billable rates, add project estimates, fixed fees, and more to later see how time spent compares to time estimated and budget spent. Open the project where you want to add a task, click on the Tasks tab, and then Add Task. From here, you can add a task name, assignee, billable rate, and time estimate. With tags, you can label time entries as admin, internal, client work, or meetings, for example. Tags stay the same across all your projects, clients, and tasks, keeping your time data even more structured and easier to filter and analyze. Creating tags is simple. Head to the Tags page, click New Tag, give it a name, and hit Create. You can then filter time entries by tag. They just give you another way to see how you spend your time. Finally, use work hours to quickly and easily see the number of hours each team member worked versus their capacity. This provides insight into your team's capacity, utilization, and workload, enabling more informed decisions regarding hiring, resource allocation, and overall planning. From the Members page, set each user's work hours by typing in their weekly hours and pressing Enter. Now you already have a setup to track productivity, but to track profitability and revenue, there are a couple of things to set up. Adding billable rates and labor costs will show you your actual cost versus revenue for every client, project, team member, and more. In Toggl Track, you can set billable rates at 5 different levels, depending on how granular you want to go. Here, we'll just focus on setting them per workspace member. To do that, click on the Members page from the sidebar. Add the billable rate for each member by clicking the field and editing it. Labor costs are crucial for calculating team, project, or client profitability. You can set these up from the Members page too by clicking into the member you want and typing in their rate. If you ever want to update them, you can choose whether the update will affect all past entries or just those going forward. Now that we have all your data structured, it's time to dive into how they come together in reports. When you click into the Reports page, you'll see there are 5 tabs at the top: Summary, Detailed, Workload, Profitability, and My Reports. The Summary report is your go-to for quick insights on productivity. This gives you instant access to total hours, billable versus non-billable splits, perfect for those "how are we doing" conversations. You can set a date range and then filter by member, client, project, tag, and more. Your time data will show up as a day-by-day breakdown, a beautiful pie chart, and a detailed table below. You can also add columns with more parameters if you want to see more information. Detailed reports gives a full view of every time entry, ideal for auditing, verifying billable hours, and ensuring accurate invoicing. Workload reports provide a comprehensive view of how time is distributed across team members, projects, clients, and tasks. Here, you can view workload by revenue generated, time spent, or utilization. This report gives you a bird's eye view of your team's capacity, utilization, and helps prevent burnout. Profitability shows you how different clients, projects, teams, or members affect your bottom line. The line chart will show you the revenue, labor cost, and profitability all in one. If you just want to compare revenue to labor costs, you can change that on the side here. If you scroll down, you'll see a profitability leaderboard. Here you can quickly select, for example, the top 10 most profitable projects on the left and the bottom 5 least profitable clients on the right. You can do the same for team members, tasks, and more, which can really help with staffing decisions, deciding where you need to raise your rates and which projects are maybe not worth your time. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find a detailed breakdown that you can group however way you like, by projects and members, clients and projects, projects and tasks, and more. And finally, you can make custom reports tailored for different audiences, managers, clients, finance teams, and other stakeholders, so it tells an impactful and clear story of your data. Let's say you want to build a report showing the utilization rate per team, giving you a clear view of how much time each team spends on billable tasks. Click New Report, then give it a name and description. Next, click Add Chart and select your preferred visualization. Let's go with a bar chart for this example. You can always change it later by clicking Edit and switching to a different visual. In this case, we want a chart to show the percentage of billable time per team. Click Edit, then under Show, select Billable Percentage. Next, choose User Groups, in other words, teams. Keep adding charts to your dashboard until you're happy with the clarity and story that it tells. Once your report is ready, export it here or share it directly from Toggl Track. You can add members internally or create a shareable link. If it is a report that is regularly updated, for example, weekly or monthly, you can schedule it to send automatically via email. Now you know how to use Toggl Track to get the most out of your time entry data and use it to drive better productivity. We'll hand it over to you to test it out for yourself. Head to the link in the description to create your free account and explore all the ways Toggl Track can help your business. Some features are part of our premium plan, but you can try them out with a 30-day free trial. No credit card needed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.